For sure it's fun. Flying with the car, it's quite nice. And also when you have some corners combined with the jump, it's really nice. You have to brake a bit before the jump just to get the car stable and flying straight. Take off the brake and go full throttle over the jump so the rear is not lifting. Then just full throttle in the air and then coming down, always full throttle. Usually it's like this. It's pretty simple but can be quite demanding sometimes, it's not easy. If it's corner during the jump, it's quite difficult to land when you have to turn at the same time. And also if it's like a big jump, you have to manage the right speed. If it's a really big jump, yes, usually it hurts a bit.